Meditation to connect to the energies of the full Sturgeon moon of the 3rd of August 2020. And the intention that I'm setting for this meditation is to bring unity within ourselves, which will have a rippling impact to all of humanity and beyond. Firstly, please set your own intention if you choose to, and find yourself opened up and ready to receive. You may wish to look at the powerful full moon. However, know that whenever you listen to this meditation is the right time and place for you. Honor your unique connection to the divinity within you. Now just take a wonderful deep breath in and exhale. And as we go through the meditation, anytime you feel distracted from being fully focused in this moment, please just come back to your amazing breath. The moon goddess, or whatever name resonates with you, is offering you divine inspiration, healing, and pure unconditional love to support you in moving forward into the powerful Lion's Gate. Breathe in this amazing energy and just exhale anything that is no longer serving you. Take a moment to tune in to the attributes that your soul needs in this moment to flow on your divine path here on our beautiful planet. Just allow any words that come through to you to float. They may be courage, stamina, joy, love, perseverance, creativity. Allow the words to gently flow and know you will remember exactly what you require, all in divine timing. Know that you are unlimited and it is your birthright to receive divine abundance. At this amazing time of hope, transformation, chaos, and redirection on our planet, you can feel the energies of your ancestors bringing into your auric fields codes for the new blueprint, unveiling the true reality. This is very gentle, powerful. It's a lovely process to accelerate your soul journey and light up your path, moving you with ease and joy to the next spiral of evolution. Listen to the divine guidance that is within you and unique to you. We are being called to unify, to understand now in flow and say yes, and also to create the future that we all deserve. And just allow any new insights that are floating through just to be with you. Know this divine download will continue to connect to all areas of your being as you start to choose the fruits that are ready to be shared with the world. You are being shown wonderful fruit trees. Just note, is your tree an apple tree, a banana tree, a pear tree? And just gently take any fruit that is ripe and ready to be absorbed. Know the fruits represent your divine gifts. Maybe gifts of kindness, maybe gifts of great intuitive healing. It may be gifts of unconditional love. Just allow yourself to receive a word, knowing and trusting that as you rest, receive, and re energize, the rewards of your remarkable works that are your divine gift to the planet will support all you connect with and beyond. Allow yourself to receive and trust all is well and all is manifesting as divinely planned as you embrace the realization that you are unlimited, powerful, and a pure vessel of unconditional love, light, and transformation. Release anything that is not your true reality now. When you are ready, give thanks to the powerful, amazing Moon Goddess, trusting that all is in flow, and continue to listen to the wisdom of your ancestors, trusting all is well. Now bring yourself back to the space where you started this guided meditation and write down the one word that you would like to focus on until the new moon. Perhaps now stamp your feet, drink water, and know that you are loved. Breathing and exhaling as you move through to the Lion's Gate, the portal of courage and new ways of being on our planet. Once again, thank you for being part of this magical earth journey. Namaste. I love you dearly.